What's up guys, I'm Mike, living with 3M Auto Vlogging, and today we're going to talk about washing your truck or car. Not the professionals, you know, you guys that professionally detail, this isn't for you. This video you can just scroll right on by. I'm talking to the masses of people that every day we wash our own truck or car. I'm going to talk about it in 10 steps. Step number 1, under no circumstance are you to ever go to a drive-through car wash. Regardless if the drive-through car wash claims it's touchless, which most are not, don't take your car or truck through them. The chemicals they use are very harsh. And if you've noticed, there's a big sign at most of these tunnels of death, as I call them. Seriously, there's a big sign relinquishing the auto spa or the car wash, if you want to call it that, of any liability. In fact, if something happens inside that car wash, it says on the sign that you can be held liable if any damage to their equipment, but they are not liable for any damage by their equipment to your car. Oh, forgot to mention, it's not just the car wash equipment you have to watch out for. Step number 2, we gotta go get some car wash supplies. What we've got here is some of my supplies. Step number 3. Rinse the truck initially, get any loose dirt and grime off of it. All right, so we're in the hard to reach areas. I'm in the bed of the truck. Got our brush. So now we're going to scrub the top of the truck with the car wash solution. While you are back here in the bed of the truck, might as well go ahead and wash the toolbox. Do not get the brush on the floor because there's some bad grime you don't want in the bristles of the brush. My God. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse thoroughly. Now with the same brush in the hard to reach areas lower, working our way down, we're gonna get the windshield, all of the windows, and the hood. You wanna raise those windshield wipers and get down here as best as possible. Any debris you find, you wanna remove from the cowl area. Be careful with your windshield wipers. Here's the thing I warned about with the automatic car washes and stuff, the vent visors. And guys, you can see how a brush can just rip that right off. Now I've got my wash mitt. I want to rinse thoroughly. All right, we're around at the rear of the truck. So we're gonna get tailgate, bumper, tag area. So if you don't want them to see you riding dirt, oh Lord, yay, what did I just step on? Oh yeah, man, anything get him going. Step on the old squeaky ball. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, was that yours? Yes, sir. All right, man, back to it. Gonna rinse tailgate, everything thoroughly. Step number 4.
All right, so now we're going with the Dawn dishwashing liquid for the wheels and tires and the engine bay. All right, so we're gonna take our wash mint for only wheels and tires. Got the new brush. Makes quick work. Yeah, very nice. Soft, it's really soft. It's not harsh on the wheels. Remember, you want to rinse thoroughly. Even up in the wheel wells, knock any dirt and debris loose. You want to definitely get in the wheel good. And in the meantime, don't let your truck dry. Don't let your truck dry. Yeah, so dusty. It's not the end of the world dirty. And like I said earlier in the video, you definitely don't want to spray a hot engine, and you don't want to soak your engine. We're gonna take our dish detergent. We're gonna wipe the areas down. I don't even recommend using the brush on this. I just don't think it's needed. We're just wanting to give it a quick wipe down.
Step number 5.
Okay guys, everybody has one of these, I'm certain. Whether it be a backpack blower or a handheld, that's our secret weapon in drying off the truck. But first, we gotta get our PPE on.
All right guys, we gotta be safe. PPE comes first. Step number 6.
Now we're going to discuss tire shine. I'm using the Chemical Guys Silk Shine Protectant for one of the main reasons it does not sling all over the side of your vehicle. You're going to need a good tire brush too, especially if you have mud tires like me. I never spray it on the tire because it gets it on the wheel. I spray it on the brush. And you just work it in back and forth. And with the knobs on the mud tires, it does make it a bit challenging. It's not like a street tire where you can just wipe and go. As you can tell from this picture, it looks really clean but not overly glossy.
Step number 7.
After not having the right amount of change for a car wash vac that only gives you a quick amount of time to use it, I just went and bought me a shop vac.
Hold up, stop the video, cut the video. Where's my editor? Wait a minute, we're supposed to have a place in this video where I beg for subscribers.
Isn't anybody gonna help that poor man?
Y'all be sure to subscribe to my channel page, smash that thumbs up like button, and turn the little bell black. That notifies you when either I go live or post a new video.
Next up is the leather seat protection and cleaning kit that I have. You can use anything you want to from the auto parts store, but the wife and I had bought a sofa from Lazy Boy last year, and this come with unlimited refills for the leather. Just a little bit on the rag. Before, after. Big difference. And that is the leather protector from Lazy Boy. Another valuable tool I have in my cleaning arsenal is the Swiffer duster. As you see right here, This thing is absolutely awesome, guys. You definitely need to go to Walmart and get I think they come in refill packs. You can get it with the wand, and this thing really gets in all the nooks and crannies, the dash, the steering wheel, center console, in the seats, everywhere that there's micro dust, especially around the steering column, up inside there. It's really awesome to have, and helps keep everything dust free, especially before you spray Armor All and just pack that dust down with Armor All. Use the Swiffer duster.
Step number 8.
Next, for window cleaning, we're going to use the trusty chamois that a lot of people dry their cars and trucks off with. So the chamois will do great on windows inside while it's damp. Okay, the chamois is the only thing I recommend on windows, especially if you have window tint. Do not put Windex on your windows. It will, if you ever go on down the road and seen windows with tint on them that's turned blue and cracked, that's exactly what happens when you put cleaning agents like Windex on your windows with window tint. So regardless, but if you do not have window tint and you have bad windows that are really dirty, you can do Windex, and to get rid of streaks, use rolled up newspaper. And of course the chamois works on the outside of the windows as well if you've got any dust. I prefer a chamois on the outside of the windows versus any other kind of cleaner.
Follow my tip for streak-free windows. Step number 9.
Okay, leaving the truck sitting out overnight, what we have are 2 pieces of equipment. California duster. Let's see if you guys can see this, which really works wonders, and then you can wash that in the machine afterwards. Also, the Swiffer does just as well, but the Swiffer, once you're done with it, once it's really dirty, you have to throw it away. So I recommend everyone getting the California duster.
Feel like a rookie at this, talking for like 2 minutes, don't even have the dang camera on.
My old man ain't got a lick of sense, poking fun at me about videoing cars, but he's doing it with his flip phone.
So we're gonna use the cleaner wax from Meguiar's to basically wax the truck.
I didn't bore you guys with the Karate Kid technique of wax on, wax off. We all know that. Here is the finished product as I'm taking the wax off.
Last but not least, step number 10.
We're gonna rinse out the chamois and our wash mitts, clean everything really well with the hose pipe. Notice I have this on a chair that's got holes in it that'll drain. Never put a wash mitt, a brush, chamois, anything on the ground. If you do, even the washing machine, get it out, throw it away, go get another one. Once you're finished, just put everything back on your shelves. You know, it's just standard little outbuilding I have. Also, there's another blower that's cordless. That's what I mean. If you don't have a backpack, use the cordless. You can get that fairly on the cheap.
What are you talking about, buddy?
Also, I keep wanting to call these chamois. It's a damn California duster. Oh my God. I'm just trying to tell the people I've got the long one and the mini California dusters. There we go.